As the cost of living has continued to increase over the past few years, so has the number of people in our state who need help getting enough food to eat.
And grocery prices are not the only problem. There are so-called food deserts all over the state, defined by the USDA as areas with a lack of stores offering affordable food within a convenient distance.
And as News Center Maine's Caroline LaCour reports, too few public transportation options, it's not helping.
Is cauliflower and some sweet mayo.
Since founding the Harrison Food Bank back in 2016, Sandy Sweat has seen the need in her part of the state grow every year.
I can remember when right before COVID we had a little over 300 people, and I thought that was huge. And then COVID hit and it jumped immediately to 500.
Now the food bank serves between 800 to 1,000 families each week, offering dry goods and fresh produce thanks to donations and grants. Sweat says they've served people in more than 60 towns, some of them more than an hour away.
Western Maine is very poverty-stricken, and so they rely on us, and they'll drive quite a ways to get that healthy food.
But even as organizations like the Harrison Food Bank step in to reach corners of Maine who need it, they face a big problem.
That transportation really is one of the primary barriers that people are experiencing right now in terms of achieving economic independence and opportunity.
According to a recent report released by the John T. Gorman Foundation, an estimated 40,000 households across the state do not have a personal vehicle.
So we think transportation is like food, like housing, it's a critical component of well-being.
Leigh Arsenault of the foundation says public transit meets an estimated 11% of the need in Maine, but there are no buses in towns like Harrison.
People have cars, but they're broken down and they can't afford to fix them. It's like, what came first? Their rent, their car, their food.
Sweat says while she's able to offer food deliveries to some families, she's limited to offering it to only the elderly or those dealing with health conditions, but says the need is real in Western Maine.
I've always said that there's the country mouse and the city mouse. We're the country mouse. We don't have services on every street corner. We don't have stores on every street corner. You know, food, you have to drive further to get.
In Harrison, Caroline LaCour, News Center, Maine.
And if you are looking for a way to help families around our state struggling to put food on the table, a little support for Good Shepherd Food Bank can go a long way.
Good Shepherd works with food pantries and other local groups all around the state. And they say every dollar donated provides 2 meals to someone who might otherwise not have anything to eat. We will be joining that effort to collect money through our annual Feed Maine telethon that's coming up in May. Good Shepherd Food Bank itself struggling right now because of federal cuts. You can help by donating at gsfb.org or simply text the word FEED to 828-6622. We'll send you a link with all that information.